Several years ago, we started what we call the big Sort-A-Rama now. We were trying to figure out a new way to do things, so we invented what we now call the mini sort. And that's what we're here to do today with Hendrick. And we pack 8,000 boxes in a couple of hours with about 250 volunteers. Hendrick really to me sets the standard for what a corporate relationship can look like and how to give back.
This is one of those things that just kind of lends credence to that what we do as a company is for our communities, not just for ourselves. And so over the course of time, you really get the idea that, you know, it's more than just, okay, a photo op, or one day it's like, no, we're really making a difference for people in their lives.
Hendrick is helping just every way there is to help. They're helping us buy the food, they're supporting the schools that we go out and take the food to, so it kind of comes full circle.
We really wanted to figure out how we can partner even further with Second Harvest Food Bank. It's also Mr. Hendrick's birthday, which is super special and important to us, and this is such a great way to honor such an amazing leader, and they brought up the idea of the Sort-A-Rama event. This is literally our money in motion. It's just an incredible event. We're so excited to be here.
When you have your main leadership saying it's important for no one in our community to be hungry, you know, that permeates through the whole entire organization.